Hey guys, it's time to wake up. The world has changed forever now. You can actually define pre-corona and post-corona. Welcome to my channel Ubuntu guys. This is Soumyashri Edreshwarpu, and today in this video we are going to discuss about the 20 most affected industries and 15 winning industries, okay, in the current scenario. And obviously guys, right now we have to change and shift our orbit according to the information age. We are in the information age. Yeah, we need to change our direction. It is not like we are stuck over the old jobs or whatever we are doing. We cannot go ahead, is it? So this is our time so that we can actually shift our gears and move ahead and change ourselves. This is absolutely for the people who are ready for change, okay guys, so that we can actually have a better future in the coming 5, 10, 15 years. Okay, let's have guys, and today in this video I'm gonna share you all the mind map and the industries and a bit of research whatever I have done. I'm gonna share with you. And so before we start, I would like to share 3 hard-hitting facts guys. And the first one is 85% of the companies that are there right now are gonna disappear, are going to be disappeared. In that 75%, almost 50% of the companies are not even born. Isn't that interesting guys? And the second one is it's like 2 billion people are gonna lose their jobs, down there 2030. And the third one is 85% of the the jobs whatever we are gonna have and are not even born today, and people doesn't know, and not even in the education system or the schooling system, and no one knew that what are the jobs that we are going to have in the coming 2030. So these are the 3 hard-hitting facts guys, and we need to change our our orbit to to make ourselves ready for the future. And let's get started guys, and please watch this video till the end with lot of concentration, because it's very important, so that we can able to understand what's going on in and around the world, and what are winning industries, and what are actually which industries are most affected guys. So are you guys excited? Let's get started. So if you could see on the screen, so these are the concepts that I am gonna talk today, the concepts, what has changed, most affected industries, and winning industries, and everything I'm going to share you today on this mind map. Okay guys, and let's get started. And let's get started. So these are the 4 concepts, and let's go to the concepts. What are the concepts that are most important today in this world? What needs to be done? Okay, let's get started with that. So the first one is the world has changed forever. You need to understand the world has changed forever. It is not going to be before, it is not going to be previous, it is just the still it is normal, it is not going back again, and it is not going forward also, it is just in the meanwhile. And the second one is adaptation is the key. So what is meant by adaptation? So right now we are at the stage where we need to change ourselves and move ahead, so that we can able to face the futuristic things. We have to change our orbit, and we have to learn different skills, and make sure that we are ready for the future or everything. And the fourth one is very important guys, that is forced entrepreneurship. Even if you like it or do not like it, everybody in fact have to get into the entrepreneurship, because if you see, as we already knew that the job is not secure, and even if at this current scenario also, if anything that is gone, that is not a job is gone, it is not easy for us actually to do that, right? So even the fifth one is ego slap by nature. It's very simple guys. Ego slap by nature is we need to understand how we are actually consuming the things, and how we are actually doing the things. So all these things we need to understand. And moreover, let's get into the next thing. So all these things guys, you need to understand adaptation is the key guys here. So you need to change in whatever you are doing. You have to move, shift your gears, so that you can actually learn different things and ready for the next coming opportunity. Okay guys, and let's go to the next one. Let's go to the things most affected industries here. Okay, so what are all the most affected industries in this COVID? And obviously, yes, jobs. I do not have to tell you that jobs are affected. almost so many jobs, and so many people lost their jobs, and even retail, and nobody literally is not going out, and they are ordering online. And travel, I love traveling guys, but yeah, and it is the most affected one. And even if you see, the tourism is the most affected industries, and hospitality, nobody is going to five-star hotel to have some fun like that, or not even any traveling like that, they are not doing right now. It got decreased. And even the automotive, the cars, or the bigger things are not there right now. And even the cinema industry is the most affected one. If you see, the logistics or local transport is the most affected one. And even the restaurant industries, it got a bit low, because nobody is willing to go outside and eat. They prefer normal food. And even the luxury products also, whatever they are there, they're not ready to use the luxury products that first they wanted the basic necessities right now. So that's what. And even the live sports, if you could see, people in the stadiums, there are no people in the IPL, is it? And even the real estate, that has gone down a bit. And even the oil and gas industries and construction, and even the film industry, as I told you before, it's one of the biggest industries that got affected. Even the events and the conferences, and nobody is allowed 100 people like that, like before. And even the tech and gadgets and automatic manufacturing, and fintech investing, and all these things are most affected, guys. And if you see, live sports and construction or events or jobs or whatever it is, these are the most affected industries that have been whatever I have searched on, these are the most affected ones. Okay, so what literally could be the change? So that's what we'll be seeing right now. So what literally could be the change? What has changed, I mean, after these most affected industries? So if you see, guys, the most what really has changed, social interaction. Okay, the first number one is social interaction. The way we interact with the people is completely changed. Even after post corona also, people are gonna be taking some precautions in moving here and there outside, correct? And even the working style, people are working from home right now, is it? And that has changed. And even the internet usage, and it has gone very big, correct? And people became so much like health conscious right now, and so many are actually doing that. And even we are having less pollution, if you see, because nothing transport is not running and people are staying home. Yeah, that's a good thing. And even the priorities have changed. People have different priorities right now. And even if you see, the business models have completely changed, guys. And even if you see the family time, they're loving family time right now, and they're enjoying, people are enjoying, right? And expenses dropped. Yeah, no need to pay rent, and no need to pay any extra things over there. You're not going outside partying like before. And education different, it got changed to online. Even food, entertainment, and environment, it's completely changed. These are the different things that got completely changed in this corona time. And even post corona also, this is going to be affected, okay, in the coming future, the industry. So it depends on the priorities people are choosing, what we need to do and what we should not be doing, and all these things. People are making sure that these priorities are set there or not. Now, chalo guys, let's go to the winning industries that are actually booming right now. Okay, let's get started. The first product, whatever we are gonna see here, is digital products. Yeah, that's a normal thing, right? So people are going for digital products, people are going for online courses or whatever it might be. They're not, because of the logistics part or because of different things, physical products are not that much having craziness than digital products. And let's go to the second one, that is gig economy. Yeah, pay per the project. It's like this is gonna be booming, guys. This is freelancers, a lot of there, so many people are freelancers like that, and they are just earning for the performance and earning for the pay. Just, it is not like permanent job like that, but yeah, you can actually work on work on yourself and earn money in this gig economy. And if you see the stock market investing, so many are investing in forex and all these things. So that is one of the booming industries right now. And even if you see home gardening, yeah, people are interested in home gardening. Online coaching and teaching has become the new boom right now. And even the people are more into mental health and alternative energy, global warming, and all these things are going to come up. And these are the booming industries, guys. And even the insurance has become, why insurance is needed. And even the alternate medicine, people are looking out for alternate medicine right now. And even the gaming industries, people are at home and they are enjoying different things. And healthcare, yeah, obviously as healthcare is one of the best industries, and affiliate marketing, yeah, that's one of the booming industries right now, because you need not have to manufacture anything, but you can actually promote one thing and earn money. And even the network marketing is one of the best industries right now, and the direct selling industries is booming. Once you get the correct company with a lot of credibility and having a 2 to 3 business cycles, that's the best one. And data sciences, if you see the data sciences also, lot of different things like machine learning and augmented reality, AR, virtual reality, and even internet of things. Lot of things like this are booming right now. And even if you see the spiritual sciences also, these a lot of things like vastu or tarot reading or even astrology kind of things. A lot of things are there like this. So these are the different industries, right? Who are which are winning like anything. Even if you see the data sciences, as I told you, AI is booming like anything, virtual reality is booming like anything, artificial intelligence, that is just booming like anything, guys. Even network marketing, affiliate marketing, alternate energy, online coaching, and all these things. Even the people who are YouTubers are also doing very well in this COVID situation. A lot of YouTubers came out, even I'm one of them. And like this, guys, and these are the different winning industries that are there right now. So you got to know right now, so what exactly winning industries are there. These are some of the things which I got researched, and which I'm whatever the research I've done, I found these industries are the one of the best industries. If you could see, these are the various concepts that I wanted to discuss today with you. So the most affected and the least affected, and the winning industries, and what really has changed. So before I end this video, I would love to tell you guys and change your direction, and let's prepare for the future, and let's get started with the opportunities that we are having in the industries. Whatever you are having, you can choose one, and then you can just start it. Why? Because it's very simple, guys. If you are working in a job, in fact, let's take an example. If you are working in a job, suddenly any pink any pink slip might come to you, or any call telling you to resign the jobs. But yeah, guys, so many bills and EMIs are running on. How are you gonna pay all those things? Don't you think so that you should be ready for any challenge? And do you think that another corona won't be coming? It will come. But yeah, we need to actually start and make ourselves ready for any pandemic or any situation or challenge, is it? So let's get started, guys. Let's not waste time anymore, and let's choose one of those beautiful industries that are winning right now. And yeah, change is the only constant, guys. That is only thing that can actually make us become successful and getting ready for the things whatever we wanted in our lives. Chalo, guys, and keep rocking and stay tuned, and like, share, subscribe, and comment my channel Ubuntu. Okay, guys, chalo, keep rocking, and bye bye.